You see how nice it looks? It looks like this is my natural hair and then I just did cornrows here in front. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. I'm really excited because this is amazing. It looks like my real hair, but it is not, okay? It is not, and I'm blown away. Okay, this is a half wig with a seamless hairline, meaning the hairline is undetectable. Okay, and baby, when I tell you that this is a throw on and go kind of wig, I mean it. So if you're a beginner, get yourself this wig. You won't regret it. Okay, no glue, nothing. Okay, nothing. Let me show you something. Do you see cornrows? It's a half wig with a seamless hairline, so it is giving 10 out of 10. So it is growing out of my scalp, period. Okay, so without any further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video. But before that, please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig. Listen, if you've been spending hours styling your hair, you're going to love this. I've been rocking this half kinky curly wig from Luvme Hair Company, and it's been a total lifesaver. It's designed with an invisible hairline that literally blends with your natural hair. It has an adjustable drawstring and combs, so once it's on, it is not going anywhere. This can also be turned into a ponytail. I've styled it so many different ways, and honestly, it just keeps delivering. I've worn it over my cornrows just to test its versatility, and yep, the invisible hairline just melts right into my cornrows. No lace, no glue, no hassle. So because this half wig has a blended hairline, seamless. It is seamless. The hairline is so seamless that you can actually wear this wig with your cornrows. Y'all had me. You can see how good it looks. Look at that. So if you have cornrows, you can still wear your half wig, but only if the hairline of the wig is blended. Luvme Hair, they made sure that they, you know, where the wig starts, it's so seamless, you can't see the tracks, so it looks so good. It looks really good. I love the texture of the hair. This is kinky curl. As y'all can see, it looks like my, you know, my afro. It is so lightweight, but at the same time it is super full. So I am so happy. So right now I'm going to take off my, you see how much I love you guys. I'm going to take off my cornrows, and then I will be back to show you how this wig looks with my natural hair, how well it's going to blend with my natural hair. I mean, if it's blending with cornrows, imagine how it's gonna look with my natural hair. I can't wait. So I'm going to take off my cornrows, and yeah, look at this. This is gorgeous. I actually love it like this. I really love it like this. Look at that hairline. So blended. I love it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown.
And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.